This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake survey alerts that are related to the site Tapwhomjay.live. Tapwhomjay.live is a malicious site that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to make users forced to participate in this fake survey. The real purpose of this survey is to force users into sharing their personal data, such as name, surname, email address, and other information. If you share any of your personal details through such fake surveys, your personal data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So do not participate in such fake surveys. I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And by the way, the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and then start carefully investigating the computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other infections which could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.